Multi-read RFID has been a hot topic across the fire sector in recent years, and for good reason. What the system allows us to do is instantly record exactly what equipment is on a fire appliance and write it to an inventory without the use of any paper-based systems. This has two clear benefits. Firstly, significant time savings for firefighters, and secondly, a clear snapshot of where all equipment is across the service at any point in time. Warwickshire Fire and Rescue have approached this project in three distinct phases. Phase 1 involves software development, proof of concept and a working prototype. Phase 2 will involve an operational trial and the production of an e-learning package led by station-based personnel. And Phase 3 will be a service-wide rollout. Working in close collaboration with our colleagues at Northants Fire and Rescue Service and Mid and West Wales Fire and Rescue Service, we've just completed Phase 1. One of the biggest challenges that the working group faced was the selection of RFID tags that would work effectively in a fire appliance environment. Led by station-based personnel, Phase 2 is now underway. They're working closely with the technical support team to develop an e-learning package in preparation for service-wide implementation. So once a firefighter is logged onto the device, they can simply scan the location that they're at and begin their inventory. The system will then check the inventory against the template and recommend if anything was missed. In this case, I missed my hose reel branch. Right away the inventory is complete. I click finish. Now it's telling me that it's picked up one or two things from another locker. It's saying, do you want to move these things to the new locker? I'm going to say no. And that's the inventory completed. A key benefit is even following significant incidents where equipment is quite often swapped between appliances. On return to home station, crews can do a quick RFID scan and all the swapped equipment will automatically be allocated to that appliance.